Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to buy Robux using the Gcash app. Sometimes you may want to buy Robux for your Roblox account and pay using the Gcash app. Robux is the virtual currency in Roblox that you can use to buy accessories, clothes, game passes, and even unlock premium features in your favorite games. Many players think they need a credit card to buy Robux, but with Gcash, you can do it quickly and safely without one. The only thing you need is to make sure your Gcash wallet has enough balance before starting the purchase. This method works smoothly and is one of the easiest ways to get Robux in the Philippines. Here's how you can do it step by step. First, go to the Roblox website on your computer and log into your account. Now, click on the Robux icon from the top right corner of the page. Here, tap on Buy Robux. You will now see different Robux packages with their prices, like 500, 1000, or 2000 Robux. Choose the package you want by clicking on it. After that, you will be taken to the payment page. Here, select your payment type, click on Other to see more options. Then, from the list of payment methods, select Gcash. Now, enter your Gcash number, verify it with the code sent to your phone, and confirm the payment inside your Gcash app. Once the payment is done, your Robux will be added to your Roblox account almost instantly. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.